All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do, let me move my mic a little closer, is you're going to create an action, and you're going to trigger a webhook right here. We are going to get the webhook that we need here in just a moment. So the webhook that you're going to need is going to come after we make the applet in IFTTT. So I'm just going to start from the beginning. We're going to call it something new. We're going to go to webhooks. Oops. We're going to go over here and click create. So if is going to be webhook. We go to webhook. We're going to receive a web request. Doesn't have to be a JSON one. We're going to name it something like live here. I just need to use something different here. So the event name is going to be called live here. We're going to create the trigger. Then we're going to go over here. Then is going to be Discord, and we want it to post a message. It doesn't have to be a rich message. It could just be a regular message. If your Discord is already connected, then when you click on the channel, you should see your server pop up here, and then you're going to choose which channel you want it to post to. I want mine to go in going on air, so that's the one I'm choosing. We're going to get rid of all this and type whatever you want. I'm going to say I am live on TikTok, right? And then don't worry about mentions. If you want to put like at everyone at the beginning, it'll allow that mention, or you can choose it to be moderators only, certain roles, whatever. I'm not putting any of that in there right now, because we just want a message to show in the channel. So we're going to create that action. Then we're going to click continue. Now, we're going to finish it here. The title doesn't really matter. So what we need to do is we need to get our webhook for the IFTTT. So here you're going to go to ifttt.com/maker_webhooks, and you'll see this here, and you're going to click on documentation. And then here where it says event, you're going to put the name of the event that you just made. The one that we just made is called Live Now. And then we're going to take this whole line right here, and we're going to copy it, and we're going to take this and put it into Tikfinity, right here where it says trigger webhook. Doesn't matter. All this rest of the screen stuff doesn't matter. Click save. Oops, we have to name it something. Live. We're just going to name it live, right? Save. We're going to create a new event. We're going to make it so that only you can do it. You can, if it's in your channel, you can choose which one it is. I'm going to make it everyone for right now. And we're going to comment a specific command. So it's going to be !live. And then click save. Oops. Select action. And then the action is going to be live that the action that we made is called live as well. So from here, you actually need to go to Discord, and sorry, don't look at that. You're going to click the little gearbox on the channel that you wanted that to go to, and we're going to go to permissions. Now I have this channel set to private so that nobody else can post in it, except for myself as well as IFTTT Bot. So when you connect your Discord to IFTTT, it'll actually invite the bot to your server. So this should already be here, but you need to add that member. So you need to add member or roles, and you're going to go find, I just typed in IFTTT. This is a role, and then click OK. And so now I have IFTTT as the role. I also have the individual user. I don't think the individual user is necessary because the only person with that role is the bot itself. Then you need to scroll down here and click on IFTTT or the role IFTTT and give them permission to send messages. So where is it? I'm looking, send messages. We're going to check it off green and click save changes. And now if I go back over to Tikfinity, you can click this little play button and it'll actually trigger that webhook without being in somebody's live or anything like that. I could go to this person's live and type it and it'll work as well. But as long as it's connected up here in the top left-hand corner. So we're going to hit the little play button. I'm going to minimize this, and it says I'm alive right here at the bottom. And that's at 2:31, which is what time it is right now. Hopefully that explains a lot.